Are you over the age of 60 and feeling the effects of time on your body? From stiffness in the knees to swelling in the legs and that annoying tingling sensation that seems to come out of nowhere, these are not just random aches and pains. They're your body's way of telling you it's running low on collagen, one of the most important building blocks for strong bones, healthy skin, and flexible joints. But here's the problem. As we get older, our bodies produce about 75% less collagen than when we were young. That's why swelling, stiffness, and weakness become such a big deal. The good news is science now shows there are 8 natural foods that can help your body rebuild collagen. Some have shown to increase collagen by more than 140%. By eating these regularly, you can reduce swelling, feel stronger, and move more comfortably in just weeks. I'm going to share all 8 with you today. But first, I want to tell you about our free Healthy Aging Summit, which will be held online on November at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This special event will show you how to use food, supplements, and the right mindset to add years of healthy, happy living to your life. We'll cover the top 10 supplements every senior should take, how to prevent and reverse cognitive decline, tips to boost your energy, how to avoid the most common mistakes when working with a doctor, and much, much more. The best part, it's 100% free. Just register using the link provided. Now let's go through the 8 foods that build collagen. No, 8. Eggs. For years, egg yolks were unfairly labeled as cholesterol bombs, but research now shows they're packed with glycine and proline, the key amino acids your body needs to make collagen. A 2020 study found that seniors who ate whole eggs 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen levels and reported less morning stiffness and swelling in just 6 weeks. The reason? The high protein, fat, and vitamin D in eggs help your body absorb these amino acids better. So remember, don't throw away those yolks. They're nature's way of giving you a collagen boost. Eating eggs lightly cooked, like soft-boiled or poached, and pairing them with vitamin C-rich veggies like spinach or tomatoes can boost collagen even more. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is more than just a delicious tropical treat. It's rich in papain, an enzyme that helps your body absorb the proteins that form collagen. A 2023 study showed that seniors who ate papaya daily had better skin elasticity, fewer wrinkles, and less leg discomfort after 12 weeks. Papayas also contain antioxidants that fight inflammation and free radicals, which can damage collagen. Eat it raw and ripe, preferably in the morning for the best anti-aging effects. Number 6. Chicken skin. Most people peel it off, but chicken skin is actually loaded with type 1 collagen, the most important form for skin and joint strength. A 2022 study showed that seniors who ate chicken skin 3 times per week had a 31% increase in collagen density and less swelling in their ankles. Don't throw it away. Bake or roast it gently or make a collagen-rich chicken stock. Avoid frying chicken skin as that damages collagen. 5. Sardines. These little fish pack a big punch. Sardines are packed with type 1 and 3 collagen, and when you eat them, you eat the skin, bones, and connective tissue. A 2021 study found that seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week had better circulation and 27% less ankle swelling. They also have omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and boost collagen production. Choose sardines in olive oil and eat them whole for the best anti-inflammatory and collagen-boosting benefits. Number 4. Bone marrow. If you've never tried it, bone marrow may surprise you. It's the soft, buttery tissue inside beef or lamb bones. It's rich in collagen precursors and hyaluronic acid, which cushions your joints. A 2019 study showed that seniors who drink bone marrow broth 4 times per week had less swelling and more flexibility in just 8 weeks. Some even reported growing thicker cartilage in their knees and hips. To make bone marrow broth, roast bones slowly or simmer them for 18 to 24 hours. If you don't care for the taste, Mix small amounts into stews or make a smooth paste. No. 3. Gelatin. Pure, unflavored gelatin is basically cooked collagen. It's easy to absorb even if your digestion is weak. A 2020 study found that seniors who consumed 10 grams daily had better skin hydration, less stiffness, and stronger muscles. It works by providing the raw materials needed to rebuild collagen. Use it to make homemade fruit gels or stir it into tea or coffee for a collagen boost. Avoid store-bought flavored gelatins which contain added sugar. Number 2. Liver. Many people avoid it, but liver, preferably beef or chicken liver, is one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods. It's rich in vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, all critical for collagen repair. A 2022 study showed that seniors who ate liver once a week had over 140% higher collagen activity and fewer varicose veins and swelling. If you don't like the taste of liver, mix small amounts into stews or make a smooth paste. And at the very top of my list, no. 1. Bone broth. When prepared properly, bone broth delivers everything you need for strong bones and skin and flexible joints. Types 1, 2, and 3 collagen, plus glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. In a 2021 trial, seniors who drank bone broth daily had firmer skin, less pain, and better mobility in just 8 weeks. Some even grew thicker cartilage in their knees and hips. To make bone broth, simmer beef or chicken bones with vinegar for 18 to 24 hours. You'll know it's collagen-rich if it turns gelatinous when cooled. If you're over 60 and dealing with stiffness, swelling, or weak legs, your body be sending you SOS signals about low collagen. These 8 foods aren't just tasty, they're your front line of defense against age-related aches and pains. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat? Do you have a favorite way to prepare them? Share in the comments below. We read every single one and love your stories. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip for staying strong and independent. Remember, you're just one click away from improving your health and quality of life. Attend our free Healthy Aging Summit by clicking the link above. See you at the summit.